When it comes to improving your home, quality craftsmanship is one of the most important factors to consider. Whether you're investing in a new roof, remodeling your interior, or upgrading exterior features, you want results that are built to last. That's where C&G Remodeling and Roofing stands out. Their commitment to precision, durability, and customer satisfaction ensures that every project is completed with consistent, high-quality workmanship. One of the key ways C&G Remodeling and Roofing delivers quality is through a detailed planning process. Every successful project starts with a clear understanding of the homeowner's goals, preferences, and budget. By taking the time to assess each project carefully, their team ensures that all aspects, from materials to design, are aligned before work begins. This attention to detail helps prevent issues down the line and sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient project. Another important factor is the use of high-quality materials. Even the best craftsmanship can fall short if the materials are not up to standard. C&G Remodeling and Roofing prioritizes durable, reliable products that are suited to each specific project. Whether it's roofing materials designed to withstand harsh weather or interior finishes built for long-term use, choosing the right materials ensures lasting results. Experienced professionals play a major role in maintaining consistent quality. C&G Remodeling and Roofing works with skilled and trained teams who understand the importance of precision and proper techniques. From accurate measurements to careful installation, every step is handled with expertise. This level of skill ensures that each project not only looks great but also performs as expected over time. Proper installation is another area where quality craftsmanship is clearly demonstrated. For example, roofing projects require careful attention to ceiling, alignment, and structural support. Similarly, remodeling work demands accuracy in fitting, finishing, and integration with existing structures. C&G Remodeling and Roofing follows industry best practices to ensure that every installation is completed correctly, reducing the risk of future repairs or maintenance issues. Consistency is also achieved through strict quality control measures. Throughout the project, work is monitored and evaluated to ensure it meets established standards. This includes checking for proper alignment, secure fittings, and overall workmanship. By maintaining these standards at every stage, the company ensures that the final result reflects the level of quality homeowners expect. Communication is another key element in delivering reliable craftsmanship. C&G Remodeling and Roofing emphasizes clear and ongoing communication with clients. Homeowners are kept informed about progress, timelines, and any necessary adjustments. This transparency builds trust and ensures that expectations are met or exceeded. When homeowners feel involved and informed, the entire process becomes more efficient and satisfying. Attention to detail is what truly sets quality craftsmanship apart. Small elements, such as clean edges, smooth finishes, and properly aligned components, make a big difference in the final result. C&G Remodeling and Roofing focuses on these details to ensure that every project has a polished and professional appearance. This dedication to precision enhances both the functionality and aesthetic value of the work. Another important aspect is their commitment to long-term performance. Quality craftsmanship isn't just about how something looks when it's finished, it's about how well it holds up over time. By combining skilled labor with durable materials and proper techniques, C&G Remodeling and Roofing creates results that stand up to everyday use and environmental conditions. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of their approach. By focusing on quality at every stage, they ensure that homeowners receive results that meet their needs and expectations. This customer-first mindset drives their commitment to excellence and helps build lasting relationships with clients. In addition, their ability to handle a wide range of projects, from roofing to remodeling, means homeowners can rely on a single trusted source for multiple improvements. This consistency across services ensures the same level of craftsmanship no matter the scope of the project. In the end, C&G Remodeling and Roofing ensures quality craftsmanship through a combination of careful planning, skilled professionals, high-quality materials, and attention to detail. Their dedication to doing the job right every time gives homeowners confidence that their investment will deliver lasting value, comfort, and peace of mind.